A delegation from AAP Goa met with the Panjim police inspector on Friday to express concern over the delay in registering a cognizable offence against the Talegaon MLA. The complaint stems from a scuffle that occurred in Odshel village on 20th May 2025, following a mudslide triggered by heavy rains. Despite 3 days having passed, no action has been taken yet. The PI has assured the delegation that appropriate action will be initiated within 24 hours. The incident in Odshel involved a heated confrontation between local activists and the MLA over the mudslide, which residents claim was a result of negligence. AAP has called for accountability and swift legal action.
आम्ही आता पीआयक मेळ्ळे आनी ताका विचारले की आता कंप्लेंट येवन 3 दीस जाले जाल्यार कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेन्स आसतनाय ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर कित्याक जावना तर तेन्ना म्हाका सांगलें की इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा दे वर बिझी वीथ वायस प्रेसिडेंट विजीट म्हणून लॉ टेक्स बॅक सीट वेन दीज डिग्निटरीज विजीट दॅट इज अनफॉर्च्युनेट की पुलीस स्टेशनां काम करपाची बंद जाता काय वेन डिग्निटरीज कम टू दी स्टेट then we don't want dignitaries coming to our state because law and order पहिलेच फेल जाला आमचो ताणें आमकां आज एक अश्योरन्स दिला की within next 24 hours he will initiate action and do act as per law including intimation to disaster management who have refused to come there. Deputy collector पहिले दिसा जेन्ना उदक व्हांवतालें तेन्ना आयलो तेच्या मागीर डेप्युटी कलेक्टर थंय आनी परतो पांय दवरूंक ना मामलेदारांनी थंय पांय दवरूंक ना खंयच्या ऑथॉरिटी थंय पांय धरला कारण रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट कम्स अंडर होम ते तुमकांय खबर आसा आणि दॅट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कोणाची ती तुमकां खबर आसा. सो रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट इज नाव फॅमिली ओनरशीप ऑफ अ मिनिस्टर अँड दॅट इज वाय डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो नॉट टेकिंग एक्शन. म्हणजे लोक मेल्यार मरूं पण दे विल नॉट टेक एक्शन बिकॉज समबडी हू इज कनेक्टेड टू रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर इज नाव पार्ट ऑफ दॅट ट्रेजेडी दॅट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन ऑर मे हॅपन. आमी ताका दाखयलें की हिल कटींग घडल्या ते जे बिल्डर थंय आसा तो थंय लोकांक येवपाक दिना पळोवपाक दिना कोणाक हें दिना. सो ही सेड ही वील विजीट द सायट एंड ऑल्सो सी वॉट इज हॅपनिंग देट. हिल कटींगचे परमिशन जे आसा ते एका पोर्शनाक आसा आनी जे हिल कटींग चल्ला ते लार्ज स्केल जाला.
Is that I'm very disappointed that in spite of evidence being there and evidence going viral, people have seen, the police have seen, no action has been taken till now. Being a common citizen, I am faced like this. I can imagine how other citizens who are afraid to come to the police station will be facing. This is why women do not want to register molestation cases. This is why women do not want to register rape cases. This is why wives do not want to register when husbands are abusing them. This is the reason. And here, आमचे आमदारांनी माझे हात घातला. When I have not even spoken to her and when I have not even addressed to her. So this is the situation. When an elected representative with frustration raises their hand, whether the punch member is acting as a bouncer or whether the MLA thinks she's the new Gunda or Gundi whatever of Talegaon and Goa and she's raising her hand on citizens to show, "Oi, Kurun this asila, I have raised a hand." Or she openly sangtha. He was also kind of very shocked to see what has been happening. He said he will inform the SP North Goa about the situation. These instructions have been given by PI of Panjim. In spite of me meeting PI on that day when I registered, because he was not there when we had come, I met him after that. And he said, Cecil, we will give you the full support. This is the support. This is the support. Being a victim, being pushed, I didn't even raise my hand on her. I didn't even talk to her, and she pushed me as an elected representative. Home Minister, that is our Home Minister, Pramod Sawant. I want to ask him, is this what you are doing in protecting your elected representative? When a victim is here, I'm a citizen, I'm a normal citizen who's raising up the issue about the hill cutting that has happened in Odshel village, about the landslide that has happened, and for 4-5 hours the MLA had not turned up over there. I called up the flying squad, I called up the collector, I called the officials over there on the site to inspect over there. People didn't have any water for that night over there because the pipe was broken. So in spite of doing so much and being a victim, being pushed at because the punch member acted like a bouncer and attacked the youth over there.
Like, subscribe and get notified.